Okay, question number 20 is about Mo's tire pressure gauge that shows a reading which is 12% higher than the actual pressure. How he knew that, I'm not sure, but he found that out. And we are asked to find what the actual pressure is when Mo's gauge shows 38.64. Now, this is a pretty trickily worded question because when people look at percentage questions, they think about working out 12% and then adding it on, and that would be the wrong thing to do in this case, or 12% and taking it away. What we're looking at here is a reverse percentage question. Basically, there's a couple of ways to work these questions out. Right now, we have to think about if it's 12% higher than the actual pressure, then we're thinking about this number being equal to 112%. Okay, it's 12% more than what the actual pressure is, and the actual pressure will be 100%. So this number, 38.64, is equal to 112%. Okay, if we write that down, then we can break this down and make it pretty simple for us to answer. We're going to need our calculator for this question, and if I just move that out of the way a little bit, it's not the easiest thing to do here. Right, I'll just move it down here. So we've got 112%. Now what we want to do is work out what 1% would be equal to. So if we then divide both sides of our equation that we've got here by 112, then we can work out this side to be 1%, and this side, divide it by 112 as well, and that's what we need the calculator for, because I don't know what that is in my head. 38.64 divided by 112 equals 0.345. 0.345. Now, if we multiply both sides by 100, we are getting 100% on this side, and that's what we want. And if we multiply by 100 on this side, we don't need the calculator for that, it's 34.5. So our answer, because we found 100%, we found the actual pressure, 34.5. Done.